What you're going to want to check for the next possible entry is to see price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, and a possible buy signal somewhere around structure support. When you see all three of those signals, you can expect the next move up in Bitcoin. Today is Friday, November 10th, and Bitcoin continues pushing through its structure resistance at $37,000. This is absolutely insane. The events of the last couple of days have shocked the market, and in this video, I'm going to show you what my next targets are if we break through this $37,000 line, and what you can do to make sure your risk is managed and help you call the next top and bottom in Bitcoin. Let's get started. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. And if you are new to the channel, thanks so much for joining us today. We're so excited to trade with you. If you head into the description of the video you're watching right now, you can access the indicators you're about to see me use in this video for up to 80% off for our Black Friday sale at the first link. You can join our membership with 87 wins, 0 losses, daily crypto metrics for you to use, and our $1 million profit account challenge, members only content, all that at the second link. And you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Now, as of today, if we go up to the future forecast tab, we have a brand new video out. This week has been amazing for our members. They've gotten brand new members only content almost every single day. Today, Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, is buying $5,000 more of this cryptocurrency today for a very specific reason. Don't miss this video if you want to see what the founder of Trade Confident himself is doing with his cryptocurrency. And before we get into anything else, I do want to let you know time is running out on the Black Friday sale. Today is the end of the first week of the sale. You have 2 more weeks after this. Our members get a massive $250 off the Pro Indicator Pack and an even bigger $3,500 off the TC Top and Bottom Finder. This person earned 16% with us. This person is up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. Right here, this person made $950 in one day with the indicators, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. Absolutely insane. And with that, I want to take you down to the Bitcoin metrics to start the analysis. The first metric we're going to take a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. It happened again. If you've been following recently, you'll know that despite the price rising, the emotional index has actually been dropping. The lower you are on the emotional index, the more bullish this becomes. So this may actually be a bullish reading. We'll call this bullish divergence, especially as we reach into neutral or even as far down as anxious. If we drop into those territories, that's where we're going to see continued moves to the upside. Very bullish at this point, and as we head down to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector, you can see that we've had a lot more volatility in the recent market. And as usual, this actually predicted the pump. Whenever you see a drop into the breakout zone, this is where you're seeing highly volatile moves in the market. It's so consistent. It called this pump right here, and it called this one right here. Keep a very close eye on the volatility breakout detector to catch Bitcoin's next major move. Next up, let's move down to the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. Where well money goes, the price is likely to go too, and we are officially right around the negative 1,000 range on Bitcoin. This tells me that whales are very likely in the near future to begin shorting out of the market. When whales take profit, it's going to drop the market, and as the market drops, they want to make money too, and that's where short trades come in. So you need to watch out for that. This shows what whales are likely to do soon. If we move down to the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart, we can see what whales are doing right this second. Now, over the past couple of days, we were actually seeing an increase in price without the support of whale money. This has changed today, and this is what has caused Bitcoin to pump even farther up, as whales have begun pumping money back into the market. As long as this continues, we do expect the price to continue increasing as well. Now, keep in mind, as we top out, we're really close to the top here. We are likely to see a reversal in whale sentiment. As well money drops, that is very likely where we're going to see the price drop down as well. We're close, but not quite there yet. And as we move down to the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels, we don't have a structure support on this chart to check. This is the highest Bitcoin has been by far since June, which is the beginning of the data shown here. We have major structure support at $31,862, but at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if we don't touch that again through the rest of the bull market. Last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. We've seen multiple strong sell and sell signals invalidated in the recent days. We saw little bits of drops after each one, but nothing major. So this tells me we're actually seeing significant short trade sentiment. So this tells me at this point, the bull market is very likely to continue. In order for the bull market to happen, we need to see bearish signals invalidated, and I think that's exactly what's happening right now. At this point, if we get a sell signal, I'm going to be looking for confluence from the other metrics and likely the indicators too before making any trades. Now, if you're a Bitcoin trader, you do need to pay very close attention to the Bitcoin metrics. Our members get access to these metrics as well as metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members get access to the future forecast videos, brand new video out today, our trade setups right here, where we are currently 87 wins, 0 losses with 4 active trades you can take right now. More trades coming up soon, so don't miss out on that. Don't forget about our morning brew overview. We got a ton of sell signals, so you're going to want to check that out. You're going to see all the major signals in one place with the morning brew overview. Live Zoom coaching every single month with the Inner Circle live hangout, and of course, the major discounts on the Black Friday sale. You're going to want to snag all these money-making benefits, snag a membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the membership's going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. You're going to want to snag the full access for $59 a month. This is a limited time special. Lock in your membership prices now because price increases are coming soon. It's going to include everything I just showed you, major money-making benefits and many more. All you got to do is go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Taking you now to the live charts. We're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We are actively testing structure resistance at $37,000. And if we scroll in here, you're going to notice a very specific candle. The current candle we're in right now is above this yellow line. If this candle closes above the yellow line, this is going to be one of the most bullish signals we could possibly get. And let me show you why. If we scroll out here, zooming out, you're going to see what's called a rising wedge pattern. This is a pattern and a structure resistance we have respected. Let me turn the TC top and bottom finder off to make it clearer. This is a pattern we have respected since the very bottom of the bear market. As prices have increased, we've hit multiple times, 1, 2, almost 3, we hit 4 right here, but typically this is where you're going to break out. The third or fourth touch is when the breakout happens. Now, a rising wedge pattern is actually usually bearish. This is really interesting, and this is why we were calling for drops right around this area, because that also was a third touch. Instead, bulls took over, and we are now at a possible breakout point for this rising wedge pattern. And if this is an official breakout, it's pretty much nowhere to go but up, and now this major structure resistance becomes structure support. I do think it's worth pointing out on the 1-day time frame, price versus money flow is high, trades in favor is high with a 86% chance of a drop. And if we get a sell or strong sell signal, most often, the vast majority of the time, these signals are actually going to be bearish. Once again though, in order for the bull market to start, lower time frame bearish signals need to be invalidated. So if we go over to the 1 week time frame, this is where I'm going to show you how to call the top in Bitcoin, the top of this move. What we need to see on the weekly time frame is price versus money flow high, trade in favor high. We already have a 92% chance of a drop. So these two signals are already here. If we get a sell signal on the 1 week time frame, that's when I would be expecting moves back down. Nothing too significant though. I think it may be a little bit before that officially plays out, but on the 1 week time frame, that's what we're looking for. And with that, the way I'm planning to catch this drop is actually to use alerts. What I'm going to do is click the alerts tab right here. I'm going to make sure I'm using the 1 week time frame for Bitcoin, and then I'm going to go up to create alert. From here, I'm going to switch it to the TC top and bottom finder, make it a sell signal, once per bar close, and name it Bitcoin 1 week sell, click create. I'm going to do it again, but instead, this time with the TC top and bottom finder, I'm going to use a strong sell signal, once per bar close, Bitcoin 1 week strong sell, click create. And now on the 1 week time frame, whether we get a sell signal or a strong sell signal within the next few candles, we'll know immediately. And most often, this is where we're seeing drops. It's very consistent. Every time we see this in the past, this is where we're seeing drops in Bitcoin. So keep that in mind. That's pretty much the only bearish signal standing in our way. Heading back to the 1 day time frame, let's check out our targets at this point. I'm going to hide the TC top and bottom finders to make these candles a little more clear. If we scroll back here, you can see our structure resistance at $37,000 is actually a significant structure resistance used many, many times in the past. Now, the next structure resistance is going to sit right about here. Once again, multiple touches, 1, 2, multiple times right here, and 4 or 5 touches. That's going to be the next target for the breakout, and that sits at $39,600. This is massive, massive news for Bitcoin. We are by far the highest we've been in over 6 months. And with that, if we reject the current structure resistance and begin moving downwards, structure support at $33,100 is the target. It's honestly really difficult to tell what's going to happen next. We've been seeing the market invalidate technical analysis, especially with the news of ETFs coming out soon. Technicals have been invalidated, and that's why we've been using the 1-week time frame more often. So keep that in mind. Check out the 1-week time frame, set up those alerts, and if you see the price begin dropping, what you're going to want to check for the next possible entry is to see price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low, and a possible buy signal somewhere around structure support. When you see all 3 of those signals, you can expect the next move up in Bitcoin. At that point, when you see those signals and you decide to enter a trade, I'm not telling you when or where you should enter a trade, but if you see those signals and you decide to enter, what you're going to want to do is actually use the TC top and bottom finder for your risk management. This is the risk management strategy that we use for our membership trades. It works absolutely incredibly and has helped us win 87 wins, 0 losses so far. If you decide to enter a trade, once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to enter a trade at this level. The way we like to do it is actually to split it into 3 equal parts. The first part of our investment goes straight into the market order and buys at the current price. The second and third part goes into buy limit 1 and buy limit 2. Now, what a buy limit order does is if the price drops below the indicated price, in this case around 28,650, it'll automatically enter with the amount you told it to. This is really cool because it means you can trade while you're not even at your computer. Let's say the price increases to your take profit level. This green line, easy 4% trade win. You earn your money, you enter the next trade when you're ready. Easy win there, but if the price drops and crosses below the buy limit 1, this means you have just bought the dip and are in a significantly better position than you were before. Now, instead of the price having to cross all the way above $37,000 again, it's going to be about halfway between 37 and 28. It's going to be around $32,000, $33,000. And on top of that, you're going to have twice the amount invested, so this increases your profit potential. Now, if you drop below 20,000, I think this is very unlikely at this point, but if it does, you're going to be around 28,000 with 3 times the amount invested. This maximizes your profit potential, and from there, all you have to do is wait for the break even to happen. This is why we're at 0 losses. You cannot lose if you don't sell. That's just how it works, and this is why we've been so successful in 2023. Now, if you want to snag these indicators that have helped us call the tops and bottoms and manage the risk on our trades, it is crucial that you take advantage of our Black Friday sale. There's only a limited time left, only about 2 weeks. Time is running out. If you want to snag these indicators for a massive 80% off, you're going to want to check out the links in the description down below. Scroll down, click more, and it's going to be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Black Friday indicator sale page. Once again, our members get a massive $250 off right off the bat. It's significantly cheaper to purchase these indicators with a membership than it is without one. So snag a membership, click access coupon code and write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in the membership coupon code, then fill in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a massive $650 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the brand new future forecast video. Don't miss out.